Hello everyone and welcome back. Aniya na usab kita ning bag-o na tong episode. Ako karon i-demonstrate kung unsaon pag-create og password sa Windows computer. Ang password mao kini ang first line of defense sa usa ka secured system against hackers and viruses. Ang computer murag balay nga nakalock kon siya password protected. Ug ang yawi ini na animo. Kung musulod ka sa balay, imong ablihan ang door gamit ang yawi aron ka makasulod. The same is true with computer. You open the computer with a password and come in. Okay, so ay paglangan-langan ato kining sugdan. Okay, as usual, i-click on start, then select control panel. Okay, this window, make sure nga ang large icon na ipili, and then pangita ang user's account. Okay, dito i-click. Okay, so now ang admin user mao na siya, may pangalan sa pagkakaroon. And then next, look for create password for your account, and then imong i-click. Okay, so kini. Salamat. Sa next window, doon ay new password o confirm new password. Kinahanglan silang duha pareha. The password is a combination of letters, numbers, and other symbols. So karon atong i-enter ang password, i-type type the confirm password. So after na i-click ang create button, create password button. Okay, so wait lang until mahuman. Okay guys, nahuman na jud atong tutorial. Protected na ang imong computer against illegal access. So, pwede na nimong i-change or i-remove ang imong password sa computer. Alright guys, I have demonstrated already the job of creating password to a computer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something from this episode. Kini si Junior Sacedas, nagserbisyo kanunay kaninyo. Thank you and bye-bye.
God bless.
God bless.